Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I have given you introduction of chapter number 5. Now I am starting exercise 5.1. First question of exercise 5.1 is graph or shade the solution set of linear inequality expressions. First part of question number 1 is 2x plus y is less than or equals to 6. To calculate its graph, I am starting solution. First of all, write the given linear inequality expression, that is 2x plus y is less than or equals to 6 as it is number 1. Now calculate its associated equation. Associated equation means you understand to write any inequality expression into equality form. 2x plus y is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. To plot a graph, two intercepts are required, x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept, first of all I am calculating x-intercept. To find x-intercept, always put y is equal to 0 in equation number 2, that is associated equation. 2x plus in place of y is 0, that is equal to 6. Now value of x is 3, hence xy, this is a point on this given linear inequality expression. Now second intercept is y-intercept. To calculate y-intercept, put x is equal to 0 in associated equation 2. Associated equation is 2x in place of x 0 plus y is equal to 6. Hence value of y is 6. This is another point on this given linear inequality expression having value of x 0 and value of y is 6. We have calculated associated equation, x-intercept, y-intercept, and now last thing is testing point. Testing point. Now check your given linear inequality expression whether it is true or false. For testing point, put x is equal to y is equal to 0 in given linear inequality expression, that is represented by first equation. 2x plus y is less than or equals to 6. 0 is less than 6, so it is true. So it means the given linear inequality expression is true. When the solution of given linear inequality expression is true, then the graph is towards the origin. Now I am plotting graph. This is vertical line, this one is horizontal line, this is origin. First x intercepted 3 and 0, value of x is 3 and value of y is 0. Suppose this point lies here 3 and 0, while at y-intercept value of this point is 0 and 6. 0 lies here and on x-axis its value is 6. On y-axis its value is 6. 0 and 6. Now meet these 2 points. As graph is towards origin, so this is graph is towards origin. As the solution is true, so graph is towards the origin. This is origin. This is shading of the graph. This is your required graph. Now solve part number 2 to 6. Question number 1, part number 2 to 6 homework. Now solve remaining part of question number 1 having same method. Now I am solving question number 2, first part. In question number 2, requirement is again same, graph or shade the solution set of linear inequality expression. The difference is that in first question only one linear inequality expression is given, while in question number 2 there are 2 linear inequality expressions are given, while the solution manual is same. Now I am starting both linear inequality expressions one by one. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. This is first given linear inequality expression, while 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. That is second linear inequality expression. I am solving both linear inequality expressions side by side. First of all, write their associated equation. Associated equation means you understand well. To write any inequality expression into equality form. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is now equation number 2. Write its associated equation. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. To now calculate x intercept and y intercept. To calculate x intercept, put value of y is equal to 0 in equation number 2, that is associated equation. Two x minus 3 in place of y 0 is equal to 6. That gives value of x is 3. Hence this is a point on this given linear inequality expression having value of x3 and value of y is 0. Now calculate y intercept. To calculate y intercept, put value of x is equal to 0 in equation number 2, associated equation. When we put x is equal to 0, this is known as equation of y-axis. When we put y is equal to 0, this is known as equation of x-axis. In place of x 0, minus 3y as it is equal to 6. This gives us value of y is equal to minus 2. Hence this is another point on this given linear inequality expression having value 0 and minus 2. Testing point. Testing point. Put x is equal to y is equal to 0 in given linear inequality expression number 1. That is 2 into x 0 minus 3 y is 0 less than or equals to 6. 0 is less than 6, that is true solution. Hence graph is towards origin. I have written here directly, graph is towards origin. Now I am solving second linear inequality expression. Associated equation is written here. Now calculate x intercept. To calculate x intercept, put value of y is equal to 0 in associated equation. That is 2. 2x plus 3y in place of y is equal to 0, that is 12. Now value of x is 6. Hence this is a point on this given linear inequality expression having value x 6 and 0. Value of x is 6, value of y is 0. Now calculate y intercept. To calculate y intercept, put value of x is 0 in associated equation. That is 2x in place of x 0 plus 3y is equal to 12, which gives us y is equal to 4. Now testing, hence this is another point on this given linear inequality expression is having values 0 and 4. Testing point. Testing point, put x is equal to y is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is less than or equals to 12. 0 is less than 12, So solution is, so it is true. So graph of this linear inequality expression is also towards, graph is towards origin. Now I am plotting graph. This is vertical line, this one is horizontal line, central point is origin. In case of first linear inequality expression, x-intercept having value 3 and 0, value of x is 3 and value of y is 0, 3 and 0. And on y-intercept value is 0 and minus 2. This is 0 and on y-axis value is minus 2. Suppose it lies here, 0, minus 2 at this point. Meet these 2 points. As the solution of linear inequality expression is true, so that's why its graph is towards the origin. I am plotting, this is origin, I am plotting graph towards origin. Now in second case, y x-intercept value is 6 and 0. This is 3, suppose 6 lies here, 6 and 0. Okay, and on y-intercept 0 and 4, value of x is 0 and value of y is 4. Meet these 2 points. Now shade, this is its solution is also true, so that's why graph is towards origin. Now plot the graph. Now which one is our required graph? The combined shaded area is our required graph, where these squares exist, right? The combined, this portion. This portion is our required graph. Solve remaining questions of question number 2. Remaining parts of question number 2. All parts of question number 2 have same method. 23. Solve all parts of question number 1 and 2 having same method. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.